It's another Real Talk Philippines exclusive for the 10th Nation Builders and Muslim Awards here in Okada, Manila, Philippines. And we're lucky to have one of the sponsors for this year's event. We have the CEO of Organic Natures, no less, Miss Rochelle Maury. Hi, Rochelle.
Thank you so much.
Rochelle, tell us something about this Organic Nature. What is your company all about?
Okay, Organic Nature actually is a health and beauty business made of natural ingredients guided by science.
Wow.
So basically, we have a lot of categories. I'm going to discuss one by one. First, we have the health and wellness, wherein we have the mangosteen capsule, and these two, which is the barley and wheatgrass. So you don't only get a barley in a sachet, but it is also with the wheatgrass. So we have two versions, one with stevia and one that is pure. And then next category, we have the nutrition. We just released our shirataki dry rice.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's lower calories, lower carbs than a regular white rice, and we have high konjac content in our formulation. And then the third category, we have the beauty essentials, wherein we have collagen drinks. So it's not a typical juice that you put collagen. Ours is a collagen powder drink with many ingredients depending on your needs. So, but it is also flavored. So we put natural extract para masarap siya. So we have four categories or four variants rather. First is the inner glow for whitening, shaping detox for the slimming. We have youthful beauty for anti-aging, then skin booster for hydration. So whatever you need for your body, we cater it. We could cater it. So it's all collagen drinks. Next, we also have the healthy coffee. So we have four variants for the coffee. We have the glowing coffee. It's pampaputing
I
coffee.
love the taste.
Oh, thank you. You tasted it.
Yes.
Okay. Then we have the 9-in-1 coffee. It's antioxidant. We have the mangosteen coffee. And we have the fitness coffee, which is the slimming coffee naman.
Which I think I need.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then other than the coffee, now we have the personal care. Wherein we're giving away now our vice versa, EDP. We also have luxury collection perfume. We have our soap, VCO soap, and the clarifying soap. And then we have our very safe and no harmful chemicals shampoo and conditioner. It's sulfate free, phthalate free, paraben free, everything free. And then
Wow.
lastly, the last category that we have is the cosmetics line. So we have the pressed powder foundation, we have the matte lipstick, satin lipstick. They're all lead free.
Wow.
So, di ba, very safe for the lips. Lalo na kahit ang mga buntis, pwede to. And then, so no toxin siya. And we also put mineral SPF on these products.
Naku, napakagaling naman ng CEO nito. Talagang kabisado yung kanyang produkto.
Why?
You really know it by heart, right?
Because I was the one who created all the products. It came
You're
from
the
me what I
formulator
want.
as well?
No, yes, of course, I formulated it in my head, but I needed a chemist and a
Okay.
formulator and a food tech to produce all these products for me.
Wow. And these products are all available in the market now, right?
Yes, actually, we've been in the business for 2 years and 4 months now. So since last year, we have these online stores, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and even Got It. And then we started last quarter of the year, last year until today, we do join bazaars
Wow.
in different malls. So like right now, we're here, we are sponsoring, we're also selling.
Yeah. So it's a more on direct-to-consumer approach,
Yes,
right?
yes, correct.
Okay. So I know there's a lot of products. So invite all of them to try your product. Alam niyo, masarap po yung kape nila. I tried it. And for sure, do you have any business concept ba? Or is it purely through your store only?
Yeah, actually, it's only through retail, but of course, we're also open to some people who would want to be distributors in different areas because we only have it in Metro Manila right now. So, if some of you are in the provinces, you can get in touch with me. You can contact us in our messenger, Organic Nature Philippines. We have also Instagram account, TikTok account. We have YouTube channel. We also have the Twitter. Lahat kaya kami mahanap.
Talagang ang galing naman ng marketing, no?
Yeah.
Tapos ang tipid mo pa sa promotion kasi ikaw na rin yung model.
Yes, of course. Actually, this year, no, watch out for it. We'll be having some celebrities also
Wow.
who can endorse our products.
Well, congratulations,
Thank
Rochelle.
you so much. Thank you.
And your message to everyone, especially yung mga kababayan, mga kababaihan na katulad mo na gusto ring maging entrepreneur at magsimula ng negosyo sa maliit na halaga.
Actually, para sa akin, ang pinaka-importante is always health. Secondary na lang ang beauty. So, basically, what we want is to make ourselves inside beautiful para mag-reflect to sa labas. Diba? Beauty from the inside out nga naman. So, we have to invest on our health first and beautify ourselves together with healthy body and mind. So dun sa mga tao na gusto magkaroon ng business na hindi ka masyado maglalabas ng pera, you can join us kasi kami na nag-invest sa mga products na quality, tapos affordable siya. Take note, kahit i-check nyo kami sa mga online stores namin, we're very affordable. So you can start your business and then just contact me for that ng minimal cost on your part kasi kami na nag-produce ng mga products na to for you to share to everyone.
Thank you very much for your
Thank you.
time.
Thank you so much.
She really walks the talk dahil siya na mismo ang endorser ng sariling produkto, and you will see the glowing beauty of Rochelle Maury. My name is Leo Rensha and this is Real Talk Philippines.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.